I've put in the work, but I'm failing. Why?
Marks are obtained because you've worked on your input and your output. So when you say, why do I keep failing? It's like, why do I not get sufficient marks? So then again, it goes back to that input and that output thing again. So if you're not working on your input, and you're not working on your output, then you will not have enough marks. So this definition of what is studied very hard, I don't know what the meaning of studied is. So I'm dividing it into two. What's your input like? What's your output like? Okay, now let's go into a little bit more detail, yeah? So when you're talking about input, it is the student does not have expert knowledge. Now, I don't mean that you have to have expert knowledge like your tutors. I mean, your tutors have been teaching this subject for many, many years. They're definitely going to be a lot more expert in this particular topic compared to you. But I'm saying that the definition of what is expert depends on the stage that you're at. So if you're dealing with a grade one kid, a kid that's in standard one, then for that standard one kid, the level of expertise may just be in the area of additions, one plus one. And if they can get that right, they are expert at that level because that is what is expected of them. But at triple A level, you've got to understand that our level is very, very high. Now, I'm being a little bit more technical here. We're talking about Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy has got 6 levels. Level 6 is create. That's more PhD level. All right, we are not involved in that level because we are very much rules based. It's more of accounting rules, auditing rules, ethical rules. So we're not at level 6. It's not required for an accountant. We are rules based. But in Bloom's taxonomy, we've got this level called level 5. Level 5 is evaluate. So you need to have sufficient knowledge, whatever that you're studying, in order to be able to evaluate. And what does evaluate mean? Evaluate means looking at something that's happening, knowing your whatever technical knowledge you have, but looking at the scenario, looking at what's happening to say, so what? Why does it matter? Should the auditor be worried? Should the client be worried? What are the implications? What are we going to do about it? So, in order for you to think at level 5 of evaluate, then you need to have sufficient input knowledge so that your knowledge is malleable. Is it can be used to understand a particular scenario. It's not so stiff because you're not going to get stiff questions. You're not going to get knowledge-based questions. The examiner is not going to ask you, explain X, Y, Z. They're not going to do that. They're going to give you a scenario where only if you know the rules well enough would you be able to tackle that at level 5. So most of AAA exam questions are at level 5. So if you are studying your input only at level 1, what is level 1? Level 1 is just remember. You open up your textbook, you just remember. You don't understand anything. Yeah. Level 2 is understand. So even level 2 of understanding something may not be sufficient. So how do you get proficient at that? You're going to make use of exam questions to practice to make your knowledge malleable. So you need to have that knowledge that is sufficient to be able to be applied to a triple A scenario. So if you're just going to memorize from the textbook, that will be level 1. There's no way you're going to be answering exam questions at level 5. So the first point here, why do I keep failing, is whether you studied hard. Maybe they are studying hard, but they are studying the knowledge at level 1. But we
Okay.
need to apply it at level 5, so there's a mismatch.